Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to continue the part 3 for building unsupervised machine learning project of iris flower classification. And in the past part video I show you to visualize and to see the relationship between for each feature, and we see that each classification each features have some common thing, and I explained that in the past video, but in today's video I will going to continue from that and we'll see what's going to happen. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, I'm back, and before we start building our model, let's say we have to unlimit some we have to remove some feature. So we have to remove some feature, and just by seeing the feature you can just know that the ID of for each data we don't need that because thus will not going to affect the data. So we are going to remove this and we are going to continue from that. So just to remove that data, we can just while we are getting the x value, we can just start from the first one, the first index up to the last one. So if I run this one, okay, let me run all. Okay, now we successfully removed that, and also as ignore this one. Okay, ID. Okay, now we can see from this up to the last one, or we can just also adjust the code. We can do the F1 up to, and here also 1 up to, and if I run this one, it will going to only it will going to remove the ID here, and this is the data it looks like while predicting, and we can see that it have so much noise here, which means unpredicted data. It is, this going to be a good classification for this one, but here it is mixed here. So but the other ones looks good, but by just seeing the data here we can hopefully we can make good unsupervised machine learning model. So now we have the data, and let me just remove this, and now let me build our model. Okay, we can just say before we do that, let's import the algorithm from scikit-learn dot clustering cluster import k-means. Okay, I will explain what this algorithm is. And we can say model equal to k-mean and now we successfully build our. Okay, now we got error here. Okay, yeah, what it asks us is okay, let me put the number here, but I will explain that. Okay, you know what, let's see the requirement matrix in clustering. I think we have to pass the data here, x train. Okay, I'm sorry. If we do that, we're not going to have a train, and if we do that, we don't have to have a test data. So before we do that, let's divide our data into train and test split. Okay, cycle learn dot model selection, I think, yeah, import train test split, and we can just say x train x test y train y test equal to train test split, and we can pass the x and the y value, and then we can also specify the train size to be 0.8. we don't have too much data. I mean, we have a good amount of data, so we will be good. So, and then random size, I think, state. Okay, let's just choose 42, and let's pass here the x train, and to be 3 class. If I run this now, I do too much code here. It is hard to know that, so I will going to explain this one, and I will come back in the next part video. I will explain this deeply because it is too much going on here, too much mathematics, multiplication, whatever. It will something going on here, and I'll explain that in the next part video. But let me explain this one. I already explained this in the past project videos, but what we did here is we just imported a train test split, and we divided x and y, which is this one, data into train test split, and to be the train data to be have 0.8, and that's what we did. We don't need y test to fit into our algorithm, but we needed when we are going to test it, how it's working. But I think also okay, we see what's going to happen in the next part video, and this will going to be the last video. I mean, this is the end of the video, and I hope I see you guys in the next part video. I hope see you there. Goodbye.